What's going on, guys? This right here is for my friend, making her a jewelry box. I just wanted to give her a gift because I traumatized her by mistake. You feel me? So I was like, I told her sorry, but you guys, like, sorry, let me tell y'all something. Sorry don't really mean nothing. Like, whenever you really sorry, you gotta do more. You gotta go out of your way. So you feel me? That really shows that you sorry. You feel me? So that's what I did. I drew her a jewelry box, show her that I'm sorry, because I'm a nice guy. And my brother, everybody Christian, practice giving, I'm giving. But here it goes, guys. This is what it looked like. So I'm going to start off with the framework, which includes the top, the bottom, and the two shelves, and also the sides. So I'm just going to cut those out, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to let you guys know what I'm doing next. Piece of wood wasn't straight like I wanted it to be, so we got to put a straight piece on it, make that straight piece rub against the fence, boom. So now that piece, the side that was cut is straight. Then we put that straight side up against the fence, and that makes the whole piece straight. So right now, guys, I'm just marking out all the areas of the trim, where the trim's gonna line up at, where the sides are gonna line up at. Look at this kit, brand new. I had to bring it out for this occasion. Look at that. I wanted to be more smooth opening it up, but I'm not that smooth.
Hey, look, Kodak on the beat, I got that bass on. Hey, boy, I drop that they be waiting for. I like the Beamer, but I'm about to go cop a Razor. I done pee your true color, boy, you a rainbow. I got Space Jam on my feet, I'm on the move. I'm really lit, so I ain't gotta use no auto-tune.
let's just please take a second to appreciate the pinpoint accuracy.
Just a young fly.
So guys, this is how you get the size for the door. You put those pieces on the hinges and then you measure it. Whatever you get, you just divide it by 2. That's it. So this is what it looked like, guys, once you put it on. Now what you want to do, and get it on my feet, what you want to do is you want to like, all right, boom. And this is how you know if you got it perfect, because you don't want there to be a gap in between. So you stand it up, boom, it's not falling, you see? It's not falling. And you can't, you feel me, it's closed. Then you go behind it and you push it. See? Perfect. Just enough amount of pressure. Let me show you again. Let me show you from a side angle. Look. See? See that? See it coming out like a heartbeat? And it's not falling. I don't think I've ever done this good of a job before on this jewelry box. She's gonna be happy. All right, let me just finish it up real quick. I'm about to slide the router around it to get the edges looking pretty. Then we're gonna go from there. Yo, brother. I'm building something. You alright? You alright? No matter what it is, always answer the phone for your friends, no matter how busy you are. You gotta be thorough, you gotta remain concrete, you gotta show love, you gotta be somebody people could talk to or come to. You feel me? So all I did was flip it over real quick, and I put some nails in the door to hold it where it's at. And then you just screw it right in, guys, so it's gonna be perfect. Use some sandpaper, dust off them edges, get it nice and smooth. It's coming out looking good. Thank you guys for watching this long. This is how I make the holes for my handles. I just use a screw it through, then go ahead and put the thread in the other end. There you go. You had no idea the backyard builder knows how to grill on that charcoal. Look at this. It's nothing like building something on some down South Carolina, North Carolina vibes. You building something next to the grill. Rest in peace to the cow. guys, this video is all done. I'm going to be sanding it and adding the back on later, but I just wanted to get the video up for you guys. I didn't want to make it too long. But look how beautiful this is, guys. This is a heirloom. This is quality. This is never going to fall apart. She's going to have this for a long time. This is quality. Everything that I touch is quality. So thanks, guys, and buy something from me.